In this video, I'm going to show you the fastest way to grow your YouTube channel in 2025. And I recently discovered these new tactics. And if you try it on your YouTube channel, I assure you that you're going to see measurable growth. For example, in the past 7 days, my YouTube channel has been growing steadily, right? As you can see, on the first day here, you see it's 6,485, and you can see 6,494, and then it keeps growing like that. And at this time, we currently have 6,551 subscribers. And by the time you check it at the end of this week, I wonder what it's gonna be. My name is Sola Mathew. I'm a digital marketing consultant. If this is the first time you're joining us on this channel, please like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so that anytime I post videos like this, you'll be the first to know about it. There are two major ways to grow your YouTube channel. You can do organic. So organic is you consistently post videos, and if you're lucky and those videos are quality videos, people will like your videos and then some of them will subscribe. Okay, or you can collaborate with other people for free. You create videos for them, they create videos for you, or they mention you on their channels, and who knows, your videos can just go viral and a lot of people can begin to subscribe, and that way you can grow your YouTube channel. Sometimes in 2021, one of the ways that helped me to grow my YouTube channel was mentioned by a top influencer in an industry. I created a video on how to create Twitter ads in Nigeria, and that video went viral. So this person, shared my link to that video, and a lot of people followed me. So that is one way to grow your YouTube channel. The other way, which is the fastest way to grow your YouTube channel, is paid ad. And where else to go than to do Google ads, or what we call YouTube ads. So you can actually do Meta ads, Twitter ads, and all of those ads to grow your YouTube channel. But I found that the most effective is actually Google ads, because Google owns YouTube. So let's get started. So this is my Google Ads account, and you can see that this is an ad I'm currently running. And if you go to this ad, you'll see that we have 87.9% optimization score, which is actually very good. And if you scroll to this side, you see we have 73 clicks. Actually, this is actually from 21st of July to August 2027. As you can see, I've spent 32.27 pounds so far. All right, and average cost per click is 0.44, which is actually good, and the click-through rate is 0.16%. And if you scroll to this side, you see comparable platform and all of that. You see 78 and all of these things. But if you look at the conversion rate, people who saw my ad and decided to also take action, so 6.39, which is absolutely good. But in the next coming days, I can increase this to 10 and then what have you. Okay, and the conversion is 78. So this is probably the number of people who subscribe to my channel with just this ad. All right, and you can see cost per conversion, which is 0.41. Pretty good, actually. All right, so if I open this ad, for example, you will see the ad that I'm currently running. So I'm running two ads. So the first one is this one. So this particular ad, the video is a podcast that I recorded with a lady called Marisa. All right, and then this is the second ad, and this is a YouTube ad for what is digital marketing. So it's basically a training on digital marketing that I created. So this was the first one that I began to run, and you can see this one has 58 clicks. All right, and 30,663 people saw this ad. And as you can see, the second one, because I actually activated this later on, I started this ad on the 10th of August, and then I started this one on the 15th, like 5 days after, you see, which is actually very, very good. And today's date is 17th of August. So just about, 7 days. This ad has been given incredible result. And you can see here, right, that this one has 0.42 cost per conversion, and this one 0.38 cost per conversion. So this seems to be performing pretty better. But if you look at this, the conversion rate for this one is 5.99, while this one is 6.51. Anyway, guys, so I'm going to show you how you can create this type of ad. It's very, very simple. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is to go to ads.google.com, or you can search for Google Ads. So once you're here, you will see it says show up with Google Ads, blah, blah, blah. Then you can just click on start now. All right. So once you click on start now, you just put your Gmail here or whatever email that you use and log in. So from here, you will see that I already log into my Google Ads account. Then you might want to add your billing. So your payment method, if you come to this billing, all right, you'll be able to add your billing method. That is like your credit card or your debit card. So you can possibly like go to billing setup and then set it up. Okay. So once you are good to go, just click on create. So this particular button here, click on it. Then here you will see we have different options. What you want to do is to click on this campaign. So once you click on this campaign, you'll be greeted with these options. What is your business objective? So if you want sales or leads, web traffic, app promotion, and so on and so forth. All right. So, but what you want to do is to create a campaign without guidance. So just choose this one. And then once you choose this, it's going to say select a campaign type. Remember, what you want to do is to gain subscribers. Okay. So you will see here we have search, we have performance max, we have demand gen. Here it says drive demand and conversion on YouTube, and so on and so forth. Display, app, video, shopping. So what you want to do is to click on this video ads. All right. Select the campaign subtype. If you want views, maybe you want to grow your video views, this is what you want to choose. If you want video reach, so efficient rate, get the most reach for your budget using bomber, skippable in-stream, in-feed, or short ads, you can choose this. If you want to drive conversions, maybe on your website, all right, you can choose this. Ad sequence, all right, audio reach. So maybe you want reach people while they are listening to content on YouTube. They are listening to content on YouTube. Then YouTube subscription and engagement new. As you can see, this is pretty new on YouTube. So this is what you want to choose. All right. So just click on continue. Once you're here, this is just your campaign name. So you can just name it maybe YouTube ad. But I love to start with maybe a date and then the name of the campaign. So you can decide to name that what you want. So if you come here, you will see run a product feed campaign. If this is on, just off it, but it's probably going to be off for you. So because you don't need this. So what you need is to come to this site. All right. You see, make sure that it is on this YouTube engagement. Get more YouTube subscriptions and engagement. All right. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is to scroll down and put your daily budget. So you can start with maybe a budget of £5 per day. All right, so once you put that budget, it's going to tell you that your campaign may not perform well because your budget is too low for your current conversion goals and location settings. Consider a budget of at least £30 per day. Well, if you have that money, you can do that, but it's not. You don't need to actually start with a big budget like that. You're just testing the water. In fact, you can start with, for example, £2 per day. All right. So, but it says minimum budget here is £4 per day. So that is what I actually use to start. So you can just change it to £4 per day. All right. So maybe if you see that this is working for you, like my campaign, for instance, I can decide to increase the budget maybe by 10% and then watch how it goes and then increase it again over time. So you can begin with £4 per day, and then as you see results with your advert, for example, like my campaign that is working very well, I can decide to then increase the budget. So here you choose your location and language. So enable campaign level location. So you can leave this one the way it is for now, because you don't want the campaign to just be about that particular location, because you might want to change your location with another ad set. So I'll just leave this the way it is. Device eligible, you can leave all of that, but if you want, you can select certain devices. For example, show on all eligible devices, computer. But because I want subscribers, I can decide to say I want to remove TV screens. For that particular ad that I'm currently running, I did not remove TV screen because that's the first time I'm running the ad. So I want to see how that is going to perform. Okay, but if you want, you can just remove all of this and just leave it on computers and this alone, so that, you know, when people are watching, these are the platforms that they can easily subscribe to. But people on TV as well subscribe to YouTube channels, but I found that it's easiest for them to be able to subscribe on these three platforms. So you can leave it just the way it is. So you can show on all locations, schedule all day, third party, blah, blah, blah. Leave those ones. Okay. The next thing is to go to add group. So here you can name it what you also want. And then here is where you choose the location. Remember, I told you you have an ad group here. So the thing is, you can create as many ad groups as you want. All right. So here you can decide to say, I want to target only people from United Kingdom with this particular ad. Maybe the ad is specifically for that country. And then you can create another ad group specifically targeting people in the US, or maybe if you are in Nigeria, you can target Nigerians alone. So the one that gives you the most result, for instance, you can decide to then, you know, go with it. For example, I currently have many of my subscribers from Nigeria, but what I want to do is I want to increase subscribers from places like US, UK, Canada, and Australia. Okay, that is just my own strategic move at this time. So here you can select language. So I can select English here because I want people who understand English to be on my channel most of the time. All right. So, and then here you can select the channels that you want. So here you can select where you want your ad to display. For example, if you say all Google channels, it's just going to go on all Google channel. But for me, I find that it's strategic to just choose only use YouTube. So I uncheck all of this, all right, and then I left it at only YouTube, so that it could just be easier for people to be able to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Then for audience, you can add audience if you want, but for me, I just decided to leave it for now, just like this, just to see what is going to happen. Okay. So here it says optimize targeting. You can use optimize targeting. Only show ads to people within my age and gender specification. So if you want that, select this, and then it's going to just show people to only the age that you specify. But for this one, I'm just going to leave it like this. So the next thing you want to do is go to ad. So this is where you now create your advert. So what is the final URL that you want people to go to? Right, so this is the most important part of this video, and I want you to pay close attention. So this final URL, you don't just put the link to your YouTube. All right, so what you want to do is, let me paste the link for you, for example. So this link, once you copy your YouTube link page, all right, make sure to add this code: !sub_confirmation equals to 1. The reason you are adding this is because once somebody clicks on that link, for example, let me paste that link here. So once somebody clicks on that link, it's just going to take them to subscribe. So it's going to bring a pop-up for them to subscribe. Let me show you an example. Hello guys, what if you don't have, so can you see now any subscribe here, so from scratch again, especially let's say you want to create, so the person would just subscribe, or you want to, so that is why it is very important that you add that. So let me go back and show you what I mean. So if you come here, all right, so you just put that link here, that will be your final URL, so that when people click on the video that you're using for the ad, they can easily subscribe to your YouTube channel. All right, so the next thing you want to do is here is where you choose the video that you want to use for your ad. So you can use any video at all actually, but what I would do is I would just come here. All right, so come here, copy the link of the video that you want to use to promote your YouTube channel. So what you want to do is just paste that link here. So you see that YouTube will automatically populate the video here with the thumbnail. That is why it's good to have a good thumbnail as well. So the next thing you want to do, if you want, you can add a video, like a vertical video as well, just for shots. All right, so next is you can add a logo here. So that would be your logo. You can even use your profile photo or display photo. Okay, then you can decide not to get the vertical version of your videos. All right, you can just leave it like that as well. Next is write the headline. For example, you could say subscribe to my YouTube channel, and so on and so forth. And then here, make sure to write up to 90, which you can use ChatGPT to help you. All right, so once you're done with that, this call to action, you can leave it as automate, or you can come here and choose the one that you want. For example, buy now, contact us, donate, get code. Normally I believe there should be maybe subscribe. Okay, yeah, you can see it here. There's a subscribe button here because we are running a subscription advert, but here it says watch. So that's the automated one that they have there. All right, so leave it as automated for now. So here I'm just going to leave it as Sola Mathew because that is what the name of my YouTube channel is. So here you can add site links, maybe like about you, to your website, but I just want to leave these here for now. So once you're satisfied, just click on go to review and then publish your ad. Once you publish your ad, YouTube is just going to review it and then publish it for you. In the next few hours or few days, you should start seeing your YouTube channel grow radically. So if you have your YouTube channel already, maybe you're already making money from your YouTube channel, what I would do is I'll probably take like 20% of the money from the money I'm making from my YouTube channel and reinvest it on my YouTube so that I can grow more. And if I don't have any YouTube subscribers, this is one of the best ways to grow your YouTube channel super fast, especially if you are keen on getting subscribers. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you found this video very helpful, please like it so that all the people can see it. Subscribe and follow me for more videos like this. By the way, before you go, let me know how you feel about this video in the comment section. And if you have anything that you want me to discuss, especially something that relates with digital marketing, growing online business, let me know in the comment section and I'll be happy to create a video about that for you. Remember again, subscribe, turn on notifications so that anytime I post videos like this, you'll be the first to know about it. Shalom, shalom.